Solar panel maintenance. Preston. Are your solar panels delivering all the energy they should? Our comprehensive solar panel maintenance services are designed to keep your panels at peak performance. Did you know that dirt, grime, and environmental buildup on your panels can reduce energy output by as much as 20%? Our solar panel cleaning services removes all traces of dust and debris, helping you maximize every ray of sunshine and every bit of energy. Our trained technicians use safe, specialized techniques to clean your panels without any risk of damage, ensuring they continue to operate efficiently and extending their lifespan. Besides cleaning, we also handle essential repairs. Over time, panels can develop cracks, loose connections, or other faults that impact performance. Our repair services are designed to identify these issues early, ensuring your panels stay functional and your investment is protected. Ready to give your solar panels the care they need? For reliable solar panel cleaning, repair, and maintenance services, contact us today on 03330 164422.